Hey guys, how's everybody doing? So we're sitting here in the puppy dog today, and as you can see, there's no stereo mounted up here in the headliner. So what I'm going to do is take the headliner down. As you can see, it looks like somebody tried to put a stereo in it with a chainsaw, and I'm going to repair that and get this thing ready to put stereo in. I'm sick of riding in a truck with no stereo. I use my phone and my Bluetooth speaker when I remember to take it, but I want a stereo in it. So I'm not going to bore you guys with taking screws out. I'll bring you back once I get this out. Okay, as you can see, I got the headliner out. So what you can see, the problem is that somebody's been hacking on that thing. I don't know what with, but see the stereo? See there? So what I am actually going to do here is I'm going to scuff, excuse the angles, I'm going to scuff the back of it up here a little bit with some sandpaper, and I'm going to fiberglass the hole basically shut, and then recut what I need for the stereo to fit. Plus, as you can see, it's been broke here. It's kind of cracking here. It's cracked here, and this corner's missing. So I'm going to fiberglass all that on the inside. I mean, you'll see this little part here, and you'll see a little bit around where the stereo goes. I'll try to find some kind of paint that matches pretty good and put on there. You can see there. I really didn't notice that was broke till I took it out. So, and that corner's missing, I think, yeah. Oh, and it's got a little crack there. So, yep, that's what I'm going to do. So, probably put some other kind of foam in here for the stereo to rest on, because that one's getting kind of bad. Alrighty, bring you back in a bit. Alrighty guys, I've prepped all the areas, pre-cut out my fiberglass. I have mixed my resin. So, I don't know, I'm having trouble finding place to put you guys. So, we're going to get started. And by the way, I am no fiberglass expert. Read the directions and watched a couple videos, but I've been doing this. This ain't the first time I've fiberglassed something, so I don't think I mixed enough resin for everything I want to do, but that's alright. Then I won't have a bunch of it going bad. And whatever hangs over, we're going to sand off. But I believe we'll get her. And this works better when the resin isn't old and stiff like this stuff is. Yeah, we definitely didn't mix enough resin up. That's alright. Like I said, we can mix more. The reason I'm going down around this corner, it has a crack down there. So, we'll get her. I already got a fold in it, but that's the neat thing. That's just double layered there. You gotta paint it on everything if you want it to harden up and make a good hard surface. I think I'm only going to do around the edges though, because that's where it needs to be hard. when it gets cut. Always wear your protective gloves too. But just paint it on, put another layer on, then paint it on again. It's not too hard. And see, as long as it's soft, it kind of moves around. You can form it to what you need it formed to. I should be careful touching the other side, or I'm going to have a bunch of it where I don't want it. A bunch of resin. But I don't worry about them little strings. I can cut them off later. Yep, should have mixed up a lot more resin. It's alright. 2 would probably be enough there, but I'm gonna, since that is actually where the stereo goes, we're gonna put 3. 2 is good, 3 is better, isn't it? My gloves are starting to get sticky. But I've done this on plastic before, and it seems to work pretty good. So we're going to do it this time. Definitely going to be better than buying a new headliner console for the truck. If you can still get them. I don't know if you can still get them. Well, at least with one thing, not mixing a whole bunch up, it won't get hard too soon on me. Alright, I think I'm going to leave that part be. I'm out of resin, so I'm going to mix up some more, and I'm just going to turn you guys off. I'll bring you back when I'm done. Alrighty, there's what the pieces look like. That's how much I had left out of the second batch. This here's just, and then here's what the stereo looks like where it goes in. So I'll cut all that out. We'll get her. I'll cut out what we need. Looks like I need to put a little bit right along the top right there, top right hand corner. I think we got enough left to do that. Alright.